guys, it's Lara and welcome back to Cupcakes and Unicorns. I might seem a little crazy today because we're doing my favourite thing, which is making slime. Woohoo! To make my marvellous slime, you will need a bowl, a spatula and, of course, a mat. You don't want to ruin the table, do you? These are the essential things. Glue activated to turn it into slime and some baby oil. These are things you can just add. These are optional. So you can add some conditioner, some shaving cream, some food colouring and also a container to put your slime in after. First you put the PVA into the bowl. How much glue you put in is the amount of slime you'll have. That's enough for me. Next, just add a couple of drops of baby oil. This makes it jigglier and thinner. That should be enough. Now I want the slime to be extra fluffy, so I'm going to add some shaving foam. I think that should be enough. Now you need to mix them all together. Okay, now we're going to add the food colouring. I'm using green. That should be enough. It can take a little while to blend it together. Wow, that is a lovely colour. Now let's add some conditioner to make it a bit more stretchy. Oh no, I squirted it on the table. You may need to shake it a little bit to get it out. Nothing came out. Ooh, I love slime. Now is the bit you've all been waiting for. The bit that turns it into the slime. The activator! Woohoo! You can add little bits at a time. It could take a little bit of activator to make it into slime, or it could take a lot if it's not that strong. See, that is turning into slime. Wow, it's amazing. You just have to bear in mind to keep on adding activator, otherwise it will be too sticky. Okay, mine looks quite ready, so I'm going to put down the spatula and I'm going to get in with my hands and get crazy. Ooh. Now it comes to the stage where it's kind of forming into good slime. My slime's pretty much formed. Woohoo! If you keep on playing with it, it'll make it stretchier. Okay, now it comes to the stage where it's kind of slime already. And you can get it out on your mat or table. It's so clicky. I made a giant bubble, guys! If it's a bit too rippy, then you can go in and add some more conditioner. Now you can put your slime in a container, and now I'll show you the other types of slimes you can make. This is fluffy slime. get rid of this. You can add anything into slime to make it colours and even textures. These are some that I've made. You can add glitter to make glitter slime. So the glitter slime feels really crunchy and really sizzly. And it makes such deep poking noises. Listen. Bubble! I love bubbles. You can add kinetic sand into slime to make it really sizzly and pretty. It feels really sizzly and fun. It's so stretchy. Let's make a slime swirl. And look at that perfect slime swirl. You can even add beads to make it really colourful. This is my bead slime. It's such a nice texture. It looks like an ice cream sundae with sprinkles. I love this slime. And you can even add foam beads to make it really fun. I just added some foam beads and it turned out amazing. Listen to this. This one's really stretchy. And it has a hidden bead in it. So this is like a mystery slime, and I found the bead. So that was it for today's video. You should totally try making slime at home. It's so fun and easy. You'll love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what's your favourite slime. Bye guys, see you later.